So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she got a bond,
Pardon?
why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law?
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now?
I
All right, I just want to state that. I just want to state it. Okay.
stated.
It's on record, right? Okay.
Do you want a jury trial or not?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury. Fine. That's fine.
Brat walked into court with a huge attitude. She actually yelled at Judge Simpson and asked why she wasn't getting out of jail even though she was arrested for assault. I couldn't believe what I was hearing. She acted like the law didn't matter to her. Judge Simpson stayed calm and patient, which was impressive. Most judges would have gotten mad, but he didn't. The big question is, does she deserve to be free or should she stay in jail? Let's see.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf, well, not on behalf of Ms. Brown. We are the attorney of record on this case. When I did meet with Ms. Brown, she informed me she wants to represent herself.
Your name?
Alexis Brown.
All right. Is that correct that you want to represent yourself?
Yes, it is.
So in this matter, Ms. Brown, I do have to inform you that the complaint in this case alleges that on or about June 8, 2024, location of 3001 Woodland Hills Drive in Pittsfield, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you did commit the offense of assault and or assault and battery against a Latasha Browning. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, I do.
That is a misdemeanor, punishable by 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Do you understand the maximum penalties?
Yes, I do.
There are certain things that are fraught in self-representation in terms of understanding the Michigan court rules and in terms of the court procedure. You would need to understand that if you would like to represent yourself, that you would be held to the same standard as any other attorney.
Mm-hmm.
The court will not be assisting you in any fashion whatsoever. You understand that?
Okay, so the time that I served, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I'm sorry?
The time that I served already, don't that counts for the 93 days?
I don't know how much time you,
I served 30 days already.
and if you serve 30 days, it may count. I'm trying to look at what your bond is on this case. What do you have a bond?
And then no contact with the victim as well.
And the monetary amount,
5,000.
10%, then it should count. Yes, ma'am.
And so I have a question. So when I was arrested, I wasn't actually told my rights. So ain't that against the law that you wasn't told your rights when you arrested me? Well, not you, but the officer.
I cannot.
You can't do nothing about it right now?
I
All right, I just want to state that.
can't answer that.
I just want to state it.
All right.
Okay.
Stated.
It's on record, right?
So
Okay.
what do we?
I don't get people like this. If you're facing an assault charge, the first thing you should do is get a lawyer, not yell at the judge. Yelling won't help. This woman is acting like a kid throwing a tantrum. And honestly, even toddlers have more sense than her. Her attitude is dangerous. She was arrested for assault, but she's acting like she can get away with it. It's scary because people like her are everywhere, and you never know when they'll cause trouble. Courts are serious places, but she's turning into a joke. She clearly wasn't raised properly. Judge Simpson deserves credit for handling it so well. He's one of my top judges, up there with Judge Fleer and Judge Middleton. He's tough but fair.
What do you want this set for, ma'am?
Your Honor, we have no offer at this time.
Do you want it set for a trial, ma'am?
Sure, I guess. If I guess
You want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
it doesn't really matter.
Well, you've got to make a decision, ma'am.
If it gotta go to trial, then it gotta go to trial.
Okay. Do you want a jury trial or a non-jury trial?
It doesn't matter.
You have to make a decision, ma'am.
It could have a jury. Fine, that's fine with me.
Jury final settlement conference in this matter will be set for 17th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Jury selection in this matter, October 20th, 2025 at 8:30. Both of those proceedings are in person.
So am I free to go? So why am I not free to go? If she just said she got a bond,
Pardon?
why am I not free to go? Why do I gotta serve time when I'm not even?
You have a bond on the case, ma'am.
So if I get my money, I can get out. But she just said it was no bond.
Post bond, you can get out.
So I'd rather post bond. So where do I go from here?
You need to post a bond.
Okay, what's the bond? Cause you just asked her the same thing. Cause she said
5%.
it's $500.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'd rather post bond. Where do I go from there?
And you can go post bond.
Okay, thank you.
It's your fault, parenting. Your fault. You just like suckered me into that. You got up there and then just said, well, we're the attorney of record, but
Oh, we're starting off the morning with a series of bad decisions already. This is wonderful.
yeah, I know, but they're all by parenting. The whole
That's-
McDonald's thing and then this. And
This-
I'm really looking forward to her trial based on how this hearing went. I think it's going to be a circus. I believe she's going to get a full 90-day sentence if the jury has any sense. She did 30 days already, so it would be about 2 more months in jail. Honestly, anytime she's not out in society is a good day. Even if she avoids a full sentence, just watching her attitude during the hearing made it tough to sit through. Judge Simpson, though, stayed calm throughout, which was impressive. What cracked me up was when she glared at her old lawyer, like it was her fault she ended up in jail. Newsflash, you assaulted someone, not the lawyer. This kind of case shows why the justice system can't just let people go because they're allowed. If we did that, the courtroom would be a joke. Do you think she deserves a full 90 days, or should she get another chance? Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.